It's fine, honey. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Hello mga loves. So ngayon, ang daming order ni Tami ngayong araw. Nasusurprise ako. Ang daming UPS at saka ang daming Amazon. Oh my goodness. Look, meron na naman dito yung package. Ano na naman ito? Ito talaga yung kaligayahan ni Mr. mga loves. So, nag-order siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano itong mga ino-order niya, no? Pangalawang bisis ko na po itong pero yun, kasiyahan niya mga loves, kagustuhan niya. So, yun, ito yung package niya. Color key. But anyway, so yun na talaga yung buhay niya. Hindi na yun magbabago. So, pabayaan natin kasi sa kanya naman yan. So, yun. Anyway, 5 o'clock na almost mga loves. Ay, wala akong nagawa. Walang nagawa si Inday Marian. Yung mukha nito. Ang taba-taba mo na diyan. Damn. Ada na siya. Ada na siya. Dito na. Mga gutom na ito. Mga gutom. Nagugutom na. Hi. Are you hungry? Are you hungry, my little boy? Yung isa kanina pa to dito, guys. Oh. Kanina pa yun dyan. Kawawa naman ang didib ni Mama. Look, oh. This is for you. This is for you. May mga chocolate pa tayo dito. Oh, yung sa Halloween. Chocolate Halloween. So, sabi pa ni Tami, tignan ko daw itong shoes na in-order niya. Ang dami pala, eh. Ang dami pala ng in-order ng ama ninyo. Look. Oh, bumili pa siya nito mga loves yoga mat. Kasi, sabi pa yung exercise daw siya. Kalukam nitong asawa ko. Mag-exercise daw siya mga loves. So, ngayon, sabi pa niya, Han, tingnan mo nga yung shoes na in-order ko kung ganahan, kung gusto ko ba daw yung kulay. Ang daming shoes. Ang daming shoes. Ito yung mga shoes na in-order ko palagi sa kanya. So, this time, siya yung nag-order. So, ito, I like this color beige. I like this. This one, gusto ko yan. Let's see, sa ibabe. Tapos. Kasi ito si Tami, yung paa niya, ang dali masiraan ng shoes. Ito yung paborito niya. Ito yung palagi niyang sinusuot-suot. Black. Okay? Black. Let me see the other one here. Daming chocolate. Let's see what color is this. Tingnan natin. Hala. Okay then. Ito siya. Parang ito. Gusto din ito niya. Dark. It's nice, huh?
Yeah, right?
Yeah. He just got home, guys, not long time ago from work. And he opened this. You like it? I like this lighter.
The light one.
I like the light one
Yeah,
too.
I tried it. I just see if the size is good.
And?
It's fine.
It's fine, honey. Are you sure?
No, seems
Because-
fine. You gotta walk on it for a while before you know for sure.
Because you know when you walk, it's gonna be losing a little bit. Plus, you both extra size. So now you have tons of shoes. Okay, I wanna see you exercise. Okay, I'm going to make breakfast. Okay. Okay. The Hubs eat the thing, and Dimples doesn't wanna eat. You don't wanna eat. Then you know what? You were starving last night. You don't eat your food.
You want it. So two.
Yeah, I know. This is they are so spoiled. Like they want cold cuts now all the time now. Seriously. So ngayon, dahil meron tayong bisita at si Tami, dahil pagdating ng kapatid yung bisita niya, bunso nila. So kaya ngayon, aalis po kami mga loves kasi gusto ni Taming mamili ng kakainin daw. Parang wala kaming pagkain sa bahay, o diba? Pero bago kami nagpunta sa grocery store, dinala lang namin siya dito sa wholesale area. Mura-mura lang ito dito mga loves. So meron tayong mga nakitang mga Christmas decor. Maganda sana ito pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, meron akong dalawa nito so wag na lang.
There's a box, but it's got a magnetic lid.
Okay. I'm gonna look for something here. At ito, gusto ko sanang bilhin. Pero oh my goodness, ang mahal pala nito dito. Akala ko mura-mura lang. So ito, gusto ko sana itong ilagay sa fireplace area ba, sa ibabaw. Pero parang hindi ko kaya. I got already a good one.
Yeah, but these are like $9.
No, yeah, but this is very short. Our table is
No,
big.
it's twice. Too big.
I know, but it's not that big. Oh, that's a good one, love.
What?
That's a good one.
I'm sorry.
You know why? Because no, where?
You sit on top of the fireplace.
Yes.
So you can hang. This one
The-
loosened up.
Lawson. This is a good one.
Yeah, this one.
What is this? I kind of lost this one or the reindeer. This is good. Itong dalawang magkapatid mga loves, so sobra silang pahulik ba. Gusto nila yung mag shopping silang dalawa. So ako, humiwalay ako, naghanap ako ng pajama. Pero itong nakita ko, manipis-nipis ayaw ko.
You can get Roxy slippers.
Yeah, right. Make her more, what?
I get you this. You can look like the Cat in the Hat.
Ay.
You know who the Cat in the Hat is? Seriously?
No.
Don't know any Dr. Seuss stuff?
I kind of remember that. But look, I like this one. In the front. In the entrance. Dimples will. No. Yes. Han, I'm looking for the Christmas tree under there.
They're over there. The skirt's over
Skirt? Where? Oh. Where?
there. I don't know. It'll be here somewhere.
Christmas decor shopping na naman itong asawa ko, guys. Tingnan niyo yun. Kasama ko na naman. Andito kasi yung kapatid niyang babae. So, dinala namin dito. Look. So, I'm looking for Christmas skirt. Kasi yung sa amin, sira-sira na. Sinira ni Dimples. Ito pa. What is this? This is nice. What is this, son?
Beads.
Huh?
Beads.
For what?
Hang on the Christmas tree. You know, in the old days,
Oh,
we
really?
used to take popcorn and string popcorn.
Oh, okay then. Okay, they don't have none.
Ice in the house, they have something.
Okay, wala sila mga loves. So, tara. Wala, empty yung walang laman. Oh. Tayo na sana hindi yan malagyan kasi alam nyo na, itong asawa ko. Mahilig sa Tarahan, there's nothing here. Tara.
Oh, I just swore I saw them.
Yeah, they don't
maybe
have.
it's Carly looking for.
Oh. Guys, naalala ninyo ito mga loves, oh. Look, oh. You have to, like this. Naalala ninyo to. Kailangan dapat this is the right way, diba?
On Christmas Day, when people come over. You okay with that?
Anyway, look at that. This
Can you
is,
imagine everybody wearing it, actually?
Where did you get that?
It was just hanging around that one. Obviously doesn't belong there.
You crazy. What if I really gonna bring the I'm gonna buy it for you. For Mystica.
I don't think so.
Why? Misty would like it.
What is this supposed to be?
Nothing? Don't say anything?
Your pajamas are waiting for you. They grew while you were gone.
Nagtataka si Tommy. Sabi pa niya, akin man daw to. Meron akong ganito eh.
Yeah, look at these.
No, it's very Christmassy.
Yes. That time of year.
It's very light.
Yeah, they're all gonna be like.
Yeah.
For a baby.
For the baby.
You know how thick it is.
Oh yeah, it's really thick.
I like it.
Oh my goodness. Do you have a baby?
The pricing is on it.
That's nice. So, alam nyo na kung palagi kayo dito sa aking vlog, ito nakikita ninyo. Dito ko binili yung aking pajama. So, yung pajama na yan is okay lang. At ito nagustuhan ko mga loves, kaso large man ito. At wala silang medium, so naghanap ako na lang. Small na lang kinukuha ko, sana magkasya. At ganito tayo bumili, kita ninyo. Ganyan tayo bibili ng mga, ilagay natin sa liig to make sure na talaga yun yung kasya sa atin. Diba? Pinagtawanan lang ako ng kapatid ni Tami kanina. But anyway, so yun. Pagkatapos namin doon mga loves, nagpunta kami doon doon sa grocery store para ito na yung mga talagang nilabas namin. Bibili ng pagkain ng kapatid niya kasi parang feeling ko wala kaming pagkain sa bahay, Gusto niya fresh o sige. Kaya umalis na lang kami para talaga mabilhan. Mag-grill lang tayo dito, no? Yan. Ito, grill tayo. So yun, ganito si Mr. magluto ng chicken, mga loves. Magdala siya lahat ng powder na mga seasoning. Kasi talaga masarap naman talaga yung mga powder, mga loves, promise. So ganyan si Mr. Dala-dala ang mga seasoning sa labas. Gusto niya siya yung mag-grill. Pero alam niyo ang ginawa ko, sabi ko wag na, ako na, para naman merong kasama yung kapatid mo doon sa loob ng bahay. So yun, so pinabayaan na lang niya ako talaga kasi para naman banding-banding silang dalawa, no?
Look, guys, I come out to barbecue, but my wife won't let me. She has to take over the grill. Like, she thinks she's the queen of the grill now.
I'm the master.
She's the master, right?
I'm the master of grilling, you know that?
She's the mustard.
I'm the master. Tommy doesn't know how to do it anymore.
Uh-huh.
He come over here, do like this. How to condition? How to condition? It's not lit because it's dark.
You gotta press the button on the side to make it lit.
Yeah, but it's not dark. You can't see nothing.
What are you talking about? You can't.
Yeah, look, before you don't even see it.
Why go on and off quick? How come it's not saying on?
So yun mga loves, aligaga lang itong asawa ko dahil po sa andito yung kapatid niya. Matagal din kasi sila, paminsan lang kasi sila dito magpunta din sa bahay kasi andun sila sa Westchester area, malay mga 1.5 hour drive. So kaya aligaga siya pagluluto. So, and thank you sa panonood. Kita-kits next time. Bye!